These are the things you need to know if you love trading gold a lot. On our last video, we talked about top-down analysis, and I showed you how I take my top-down analysis analyzing gold from daily time frame. But today, I'll be showing you how I take my entries using SMC concept. I noticed that gold has been doing some things lately, and sometimes gold omits some zone and continue breaking structure, either upwards or downwards. But mind you, gold has been breaking structure upwards. Currently, gold is an uptrend. Now, this is our 1 hour time frame where I showed you that this was the last low gold created and this was the last break of structure gold created. But gold has broken another structure to the upside, giving us our 1 hour highest high. Now, moving down to 15 minutes where I'll be catching my sniper entry because gold omits zones. And I normally use 15 minutes to catch my sniper entry. So let's get down to 15 minutes. So this is our 15 minutes time frame. What did you notice? Gold has left a lot of imbalance these places. We have a lot of fair value gap here. And I'll be entering with 15 minutes order block using advanced order block to take my entry. So this is our 15 minutes order block. And I'll be using the advanced order block to trade. And we have a lot of liquidity. Gold created a lot of liquidities here. Remember, liquidity is a magnet in the forex industry. Your SL is the liquidity. So we don't take our entry from here. We allow the market to sweep this liquidity and tap into our order block. So this is our liquidity concept. This is our liquidity. Our order block. What are we waiting for? For gold to tap into this order block and continue the uptrend. See you guys on our next video. If you don't understand how order block works or how we take our entry, you can drop your comment at the comment section. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button.